My name is Janelle Fejeran, and I have been spinning fire since I was 12 years old. And I started in a group where there was another female who basically did everything. She spun fire, she drummed, she danced, and she played music. And when I came across fire knife dancing, it was an awesome outlet for me to kind of experience both worlds of being the warrior. Fire knife dancing, to me, is something that is very empowering because it's predominantly done, first of all, by guys. So when I began doing it under the teaching of Joyce, I felt really empowered. I felt completely in that element of comfortableness with myself. That feeling you get once you step on the stage, and hearing the fire, it sends this adrenaline, this rush, this complete energy throughout your entire body. Before you even start with your fire, is that smell. It's the smell of that really aromatic, the kerosene. And what it does, it's this, for me, every time I smell it, it just energizes you, it wakes you up. And then as soon as the fire lights and it goes on, you feel this weird connection. You feel this fluidity with the flame. And when you're spinning, it's also your partner when you're dancing. You're dancing with the fire knife. Fire as an element in its natural light is its own life, and it breathes oxygen in many different ways, whether it's windy or there's no wind. How strong the fire is also can affect how I interact with it, and that interaction is really key to a strong fire knife dancer, is to respect it because it takes you to a higher place. Every single time you go there, you breathe in this feeling of spiritual connection with the earth and the elements in the world, and it's beautiful.